We now write the coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 9. So for this, we can utilize this binomial expansion. It says that a plus b raised to the power of n equals nc0 a power n b power 0 plus nc1 a raised to the power of n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a raised to the power of n minus 2 b squared plus and so on till the last term is ncn a power 0 b power n. So here this is the first term and this is second term and this is third term and so on till this is the last term. And this can also be written in the simplified form as like this. The first term is given by a power n. The second term is given by n times of a power n minus 1 b plus the third term is n times of n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial a raised to the power of n minus 2 b squared and so on till the last term. So to write down the coefficient of x power 7, we have to first identify in which term we will get this term x power 7. So for that, let's write down the first few terms. That is, we will write down till first three terms. So I'm going to write down the first term of the expansion of 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 9. So the first term is given by a raised to the power of n. So here a equals 2x, b equals 3, and n equals 9. So the first term is given by a raised to the power of n. This equals a is 2x, 2x raised to the power of n is 9. So this becomes, when we simplify this or when we apply the power property, we will get 2 power n times of x power 9. So clearly this is not the term because we want only x power 7, but here we have x power 9. So we can ignore the first term, which means we can now go for the second term. So let's write down the second term. And the second term is given by n times of a raised to the power of n minus 1 times of b. So therefore this becomes 9 times of a is 2x raised to the power of n minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 times of b is 3. So let's simplify this. We will get 9 times of 2 power n minus 1, that is 8. So this becomes 2 power 8 and this becomes x raised to the power of 8. And clearly this is also not the term because we still getting x power 8. So we know that it's going to be the third term because when we go for the according to the pattern, we see that the powers are getting reduced by 1. So definitely the next term, which is the third term, will be the term where we will get the term x power 7. So let's write down the third term. And the third term is given by n times of n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial times of a raised to the power of n minus 2 times of b squared. So let's substitute these values. We know that n equal to 9. So therefore this becomes 9 times of 9 minus 1. 2 factorial can be written as 2 times of 1. And a is 2x. So I write down 2x raised to the power of n is 9. So this becomes 9 minus 2 times of b is 3. So this becomes 3 squared. So let's simplify this. This becomes 9 times of 8 divided by 2 times of this will become 2x raised to the power of 9 minus 2 is 7 and 3 square is 9. So let's combine those numbers. So we can do the cancellation. 8 goes into 2 as 4 times. So then this becomes 9 times of 9 times of 4. I just bring this 9 in front and write down this as 9 times of 9 times of 4. And this, when you expand using the power rule, you will get 2 power 7 times of x raised to the power of 7. So clearly we got the term x power 7. So therefore, the product of these numbers will be the coefficient of x power 7. So we plug these numbers to find their product, that is 9 times of 9, which is 81, 81 times of 4, and then multiply with the 2 raised to the power of 7. So when you plug this into the calculator, we get the value as 41,472 x raised to the power of 7. So therefore, the number which comes into the in front of x power 7 is the coefficient of x power 7. So therefore, the coefficient of x power 7 is 41,472 in the expansion of 2x plus 3 raised to the power of n.